Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are here in Elkhart, Indiana, open house, showing you guys some awesome new units and new changes for 2024. And behind me is a brand that we sell at almost every single one of our general RVs. And Will, for some reason, we don't give it as much love as what it's deserved.
I hear you, yeah.
And that is Dutchmen. So for those of you who don't know, Dutchmen is the division of Keystone, which is a subsidiary of Thor Industries, right? If you guys look around me, we have Thor Motor Coach, Integra, Jayco, Starcraft, Open Range, Dutchman, Heartland, Keystone. They're all under the Thor Industries umbrella.
Yep.
And for some reason, we do review, we really love the Astorias, but other than that, I feel like we missed the boat a lot, which hopefully in this video, with you guys commenting, if you guys are loving these Dutchman products, let us know, and we'll start reviewing more of them. So without further ado, well, let's get started with this one.
Okay.
This is the Dutchman Astoria. This is the new half-ton.
I don't know about that. This looks pretty big.
Hang on a second.
It did say half-ton.
It does say half-ton. I'm not saying you should be towing it with a half-ton, but it does say half-ton on it. Well, go inside and check it out.
Okay.
High gloss exterior, vacuum bonded side walls.
Okay.
Okay, it is kind of small.
Yeah. Nice big bunk room here. It's not that small. I can tell you, I don't think this should be towed with a half-ton.
Right. Here's what I do love about the Astorias, and it looks like they're going to be doing this for 24 as well. If you notice this, Will, they're going to start coming. They come with the slide toppers and the backup cameras and the solid steps.
Right.
And those locks. That's something where we reviewed like 2 or 3 of them, and we thought that they were used units.
Right.
Because it had all of those add-ons. But no, Astoria is putting the tankless water heater and everything on the units.
For sure, yeah.
As well.
I love that. Okay.
Now, Will, why would you say this unit's very small? It's lightweight. It's 8,135
Oh, is that
pounds.
all?
Why would you not recommend somebody towing this with a half-ton?
Well, it is pretty long. It's almost 35 feet.
Okay.
8,000 seems lighter than I would expect, but okay, maybe that's it. Big thing is that hitch weight is 1,500 pounds.
Now, what's that mean?
The hitch weight is the amount of weight that is basically pushed into the bed of the truck. So when you hook up your fifth wheel hitch and raise your landing gear, that's the weight that sinks the truck down. 1,500 is quite a bit for a half-ton truck.
Not only that, you got the weight of that fifth wheel hitch. You got the weight of the people in the vehicle.
Yeah, you got the dogs. You got plus 1,500 is the way that it is. If you put a couple hundred pounds of, you know, anything in the front storage, the front bedroom, that just adds to it.
Anything in the front storage underneath there.
Exactly. Yeah. No, it's just a lot of weight. And then the other thing is too, even if you were at 1,500,
talk to me.
Think about when you hit a bump. You know, it's gonna slam down more than 1,500 worth of weight. So you just got to be careful, guys. It's not, especially with this one. Even if your specs checked out on the highest end F-150, I probably still wouldn't do it.
You know what they say? Well, an object in motion stays in motion.
Yeah.
With that said, I concur. You definitely want 3/4 ton truck.
Yeah.
For sure. But hey, it's America. Do what you want. All right. So we're gonna kind of like take a look at the display. I think we got to go more over that way.
I think so.
Well, no, I mean they got a pretty.
Okay.
Over here. So let's now take a look at the Astoria travel trailers. This is something that we do showcase a lot on our show.
I actually really like the Astoria travel trailers.
The amount of features that you get is phenomenal.
It is.
And isn't the Astoria one of my most popular TikToks?
I think so.
Right. Check out this nice storage.
Great storage underneath there, yep.
Doesn't look like there's too many changes for 24, which again, I don't think Astoria really needed changes.
Right.
Not the Astoria brand, maybe some of their other stuff. But Astoria's always looked really, really good. Yep.
Yeah, they really did.
Really light, really modern. Yeah, this actually was the unit that, because I did the TikTok like this.
Right, I do remember that.
That's funny. Check out the back.
Great. Wait, is that a door? Oh no, that's just a big window, huh?
Did look like a door.
It did. Whoops, sorry. It is a door.
Side door, yeah.
Okay, it's a small door underneath and then a window, I think.
Oh, another thing that Astoria does is king-size bed in all of their units.
Right, I forgot about that.
Yep.
Nice U-shaped dinette. Split bathroom. I actually like this in a travel trailer. And then there it is, that nice big king size bed.
Well, very, very nice. How do you like these light and bright colors?
I like it a lot. It's really nice. It makes the travel trailer not feel so small and tight.
Right, for sure. Now, here's what I will say. This is definitely noticeable
It
right
is.
here. But again, overall, phenomenal travel trailer. I love the flush floors. I love the light colors in here. And again, the big thing is all those additional features that you get.
Yeah.
Backup camera, the slide topper, the electric stabilizing jack, king size bed. All of that is coming standards on these Astorias. And
That's expensive too.
I take personal blame for not always calling that out in the videos.
Right.
Because that's $6,000
Yeah.
worth of stuff. Which, $6,000 doesn't sound like a lot, but
I mean, it kind of does.
Right.
You want to write me a check for $6 grand?
No, not me.
Right.
Follow me, Will. Okay, so this Aspen Trail, I actually don't think we sell Aspen Trail. Do you know?
No, I don't think so.
All right. We're gonna come down here and take a look at the Yukons.
Okay.
So Yukons is a unit that we do feature on our show a lot. And Yukons, they look phenomenal.
Yukons always do an amazing job.
Yes, sir. Take a look at that. Yukon, this is a big old back.
Yeah.
wheel. Look at this. Stepping down with this drop frame here. Walking straight into this bathroom in the rear here. Look at this.
With solid steps in the back.
Man, this is cool.
Full bathroom back here.
Yes. Like a little office area.
Yeah. Have we reviewed this?
I don't know. Go stand in that shower, sir, will you?
Oh no.
Yeah, it's okay. This is
Okay, yeah.
That's for the non-paying customers. Oh yeah, see, this is such a cool floor plan. Will, what do you got going on here?
Well, up here you have a very, very nice loft. Now, again, you have that drop frame. So with that, like, I could actually get up here. I mean, I'd probably break the stairs, but like height-wise,
Yeah.
you know, there's plenty of room up there. Nice entertainment center TV on a televator is one of my favorite things you can do in an RV. Nice fireplace, theater seating that reclines, all electric. Really, really big kitchen for it being two, you know, like a bunk room. It's kind of two full, but it's not like two full bedrooms.
There's a lot of good flowometry here.
A lot of good flow in here, yeah. Nice pantry, and this pantry is washer dryer prep.
Whoa, I like that.
Whoops, some people love that, some people hate it.
How do you feel?
I like it having the option here.
Yes.
Hopefully they still have the option in the bedroom.
Ah.
I personally would rather have it in the bedroom.
Good. No, I 100% agree. I like it there if the option's also in the bedroom.
Yes.
Encore
Nice
shower.
Big Encore shower. And Encore always does it right. You guys know that. This definitely passes. Bing!
That's shower test seal of approval, Will.
Sure is. And it looks like you cannot do the washer and dryer.
Ah,
up here.
that's how and why.
That's it.
It is what it is, Will.
Still tons of storage. Drawers here. Great storage right here. Pull out laundry hamper. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
200%
9,
more
10,
drawers.
13 drawers. That's crazy. And again, you have that many drawers and you still have a closet rod here.
Wow.
Love it.
Wow. I do love this. Again, this is a unit that competes on that higher end level.
Right. But I think the price tag is a little bit less.
Oh yeah, for sure. All right, let's see if there's anything else that we sell here. I feel like there is. Oh, the voltage.
Yes.
I knew there was one more. Hello. Good. Here we go.
There it is.
Dutchman voltage. There's this
Triple axle.
there. Triple axle. Is that the one you want to check out? Or
No,
this
it doesn't
one?
matter.
Let's do this one with no music.
Yeah.
All right. We're walking this way.
Okay.
Walking into this garage area. This is the Voltage. This is their toy hauler brand. Voltage has just killed it for years when it comes to these travel
They have nice ramp here with steps right here. Let you in.
This boat drops down. You also have a bed that comes down.
Yes.
Right over here, you have these individual tie-down rings.
Okay.
Half bath right here. I like that little sink.
Yes.
Let me see.
Okay.
Yeah. For me, because of that, this is a prime poop position. Bing!
Okay.
Somebody a little bit bigger like Will, it still won't work. But again, when you put the real sink in, like it just ruins it, you know?
Okay.
Up and hang on. Here's some top end features about the voltage as well. That's really, really nice. A 70 by 80 king size bed. And look at this. Now here's one other thing I want to say, Will.
Yeah.
All of these units, in respects to the brands that they compete with, these are always better priced.
Oh, for sure. Yeah.
So talk to me.
Very nice kitchen in here for being a toy hauler. Nice cabinetry, soft close, nice countertops. It said solid surface. These aren't solid surface.
Huh?
But, I mean, they're solid.
Yeah.
Not solid stone.
There you go.
Nice couch right here. Huge refrigerator.
Okay.
Nice theater seats right there.
Right there, we got more storage.
Okay.
Nice theater seat right here. Look at that stitching back there. It's very
Looks
unique.
nice, yeah.
And again, if you take a step back, Will, this is a really interesting style living room area. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Very nice. Oh, behind you, there's a pantry there.
Oh, I missed that.
And a loft area.
Yeah. Nice pantry. Nice loft area.
Yeah, yes, sir. And
Going
then
upstairs.
Coming on up here. Okay, a little bit of a smaller bathroom.
Yeah.
Weirder toilet placement. But again, in these big toy haulers, there's only so much you can do when you want to get that garage in there.
Still, it's pretty good. And great width and depth. And the head height is actually really good. It still passes. Bing!
That's Sheraton seal approval.
Right.
And then one thing that I'm really loving, Will, is a 70 by 80 king size bed.
Yes.
And then up here, Will, we are able to get this awesome washer dryer in here.
Very cool.
Will, again, it's a shame that we don't highlight, I don't want to say we don't show, but we don't highlight Dutchmen as much as what we should be.
Right,
you know what I'm saying? Because, again, it's like what you're getting in this brand is the best value out of all of them. So, guys, drop a comment down below. Let us know which Dutchman was your favorite. And next time Will and I are filming, we will make sure to record a Dutchman and really spend the time to educate you guys about the product, because again, we do sell Dutchmen at most of our stores. Will.
Right, I know.
So it's a great brand to have, a great brand to partner with as general, and a great brand that you guys should really consider buying. Will, what do you want to say, America?
Guys, thank you all so much for watching. Again, like Matt said, Dutchman is a really, really good brand. Make sure to, again, leave down in the comments below. Let us know what you're liking and what you're not liking about the Dutchman. Let us know if you want to see more of them as well. And make sure to hit the like button and subscribe.
And we didn't shout out Lippert this video, but big shout outs to Lippert, guys. Make sure you join Lippert Scouts.
Yes.
Their Facebook community. They're the absolute best, not just to us, but to the RV lifestyle.
Absolutely.
Thanks so much, guys. See you next time.